Thanks for watching. Please comment with your valuable feedback. Please do not forget to like and share.